story, and it's very entertaining, and I'm some kind of, how do you call the thing, some kind of being upload to Vic Soto's attack, the way he throw a scene and the way he act on the screen, and what his character been made. By this time, I could probably say that Vic Soto can be no longer a comedian, but he can transform into a serious actor, just like Vice Ganda on what I have seen on and the Breadwinners. Anyway, guys and girls, what else? There's I think there will be a part 2. So it's also a not too much high budgeted film, but I think they spend lots of millions here just to make this movie and make this complete and make this be kind of entertaining. Would you like to add? You might forgetting something. Ikaw, baka may nakalimutan ka. No, don't be shy. You can add.
Okay lang, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Hindi ako inantok.
Sino pinakagusto mong character doon at bakit?
Si ano, si...
Suraina.
Yeah, bukod kay Sue Ramirez.
si ano...
Matapang.
Sino, Tita Lot?
Suraina.
Reyna, oo. Matapang, okay. So, ikaw?
Si Lucero.
Si Lucero gusto mo yung acting. How about you? Sinong gusto mong acting ang nagusto mong performance?
Si Luwalhat.
Luwalhati. Ikaw,
Ako, syempre si Vic Soto.
kasi
Kasi akala ko sa comedy lang siya magaling. Yung pala mas magaling pa siya sa ganyan.
actually guys, he throws some
No,
little punches of comedy skits, but it's not that kind of you will laugh,
Oo.
but from the bottom of your heart, from the on your mind, you will love
Ganito
his
talaga yung ano ng
wittiness.
pelikula nila eh.
What I don't like about this movie is that when the door slams, it's not like a kind of a totally bam. It's not a banging on the ears. I don't know.
isa rin sir.
And then the hands, the right hand that they I don't want to divulge about it, the hand, but it's some kind of a gruesome. Anyway, it's all up for you to decide, guys and girls, but I can recommend this one. It's a
Commendable man yan si.
recommendable movie, and it's not a waste of money on watching this film. You can watch. Okay, so would you like to add something, Tita Lot? Sino
I vote for Vic Soto as
Oh, so
actor.
talaga.
Boating. Boat si Luwalhat. Pero siya ang pinakamagaling na tuno.
Bagay na bagay kay Sue Ramirez yun. Nag-reconsa. Gustuhan ko yan.
Okay.
Isa naman, kontrabida na pulong pa.
Wag mong sabihin kung sino yun. Kaya
Siya
yun.
pala ang may pakana.
Secret! Comment
Tapos sasabihin ko
nyo
sino.
kung sino yung kontrabida.
There's a twist in the story, guys and girls. So, me myself didn't have it guess that this one is a villain. The one who turned the story become more a mind-blowing one. So that would be all for now, guys and girls. Oh, before we forget, would you like to make some shout outs? Shout out ka, Tita Lot. Sino gusto mong batiin? Baka may gusto kong batiin.